I've got this Garrett Gold Master ground balance to this particular little chunk of soil here, a little light gray, very low mineral, and there's actually a little salt in it too. So the machine's ground balance, and that means you can raise and lower the coil over the ground, get almost no response. What a hot rock is, though, is a rock that isn't the same as the ground it's in. And what we have here is a dark rock in light ground, and you get a response off of that rock. So by hitting the lock button and unlocking the ground balance, lock it again, and now the rock is almost totally gone. Not entirely, but close enough to where you can work with it. It's that simple. Okay, we've got a real simple function here I want to explain on the Garrett Gold Master. The overload function. Real simple. You're just getting a target and big buzzing sound. What that's telling you is you've got some kind of a very large close target that's overloading the detector, and it literally is going to be something pretty big and shallow, like a can lid. So it's that simple. It's just a large close target. You're going to get a big buzzing sound like that. It's telling you a large shallow target.